Okay, now I have this pig thing. It's a pig, one of those fold-up pillows. You like Velcro it together like that. But now, I'm a dog person, so I want a dog. Give me a dog. 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 Scooby-Doo, in fact. Solve me some mysteries, mate. Solve me some mysteries. Now, he's going to go on his mission. Hold on. And he's back. Now I will remember you. Did you already solve a mystery? What happened? What happened? He won't tell me. He's going to the big dumpster. Now I got my actual cat. He is the Santa cat. Because he lives in a sleigh. Little Zappy. Yeah. Okay, you can go now.